Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to hide locked chats on WhatsApp using a secret code. This feature enhances your privacy by ensuring that your sensitive conversations stay hidden until you choose to access them. Let's dive in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once inside, locate the Locked Chats section at the top of your chat list. If you don't see it immediately, swipe down to reveal it. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Chat Lock Settings. This is where you'll configure the new privacy feature. Now toggle on Hide Locked Chats. Once activated, tap on Create Secret Code to proceed. Here's where you'll set up your unique code to access hidden chats. Enter your desired code. It can be a combination of numbers, letters, special characters, or even emojis for added personalization. After entering the code, tap Done to save it. To finalize, confirm your code by re-entering it when prompted. Once confirmed, your locked chats will be hidden from view and accessible only by typing your secret code into the search bar. And that's it. Your private conversations are now securely hidden and can only be accessed using your secret code. This feature ensures that no one can unintentionally discover your most private chats. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share this video for more tips on using WhatsApp's latest features. See you next time.